everyone. This is a very important topic for IGCSE, and today we are taking a topic from the female reproductive system. Okay, so in today's short video, we will just explain the different parts of the reproductive system. So you can see the diagram which has important parts of the reproductive system. So here is the diagram that has all the parts in details. So the first important part of the reproductive system is the ovary. Ovary is the primary sex organ. Okay, ovary is the primary sex organ because it produces gametes. It produces gametes and it also produces hormones that we can discuss later. The second part is the fallopian tube. The second part is the fallopian tube. The fallopian tube is also commonly called as the oviduct. Once the ova is released from the ovary, it passes into the oviduct and then it moves in the oviduct because of the cilia which is present inside the membrane of the oviduct. So because of the beating movement of cilia, the ovum reaches in the oviduct at a place where it waits for a sperm. So oviduct is the site of fertilization. After that, the most important part is the uterus. Uterus is commonly known as the womb. Uterus is the place where the fertilized ovum stays throughout the gestation period in human beings. Uterus is so very important because its inner lining called the endometrium is having rich blood supply. So it nourishes the fetus during the gestation period. So all the nutrition is drawn from the endometrium lining of the uterus. There comes the cervix. Cervix connects the uterus to the vagina. Cervix is a small muscular tube and it holds the fetus throughout the pregnancy period. The fetus is there in the uterus and cervix is that small passage. The cervix leads to the vagina. The vagina is called the birth canal. The vagina is the place where insemination takes place or the penis injects the semen. So once the semen is injected into the vagina, the sperms swim through the cervix, reach the uterus, and then they can reach either of the oviduct and wait for some time. They wait for less than 24 hours. During that period, if they meet a suitable ovum, fertilization takes place. And if they do not meet, the unfertilized ovum just comes here into the uterus and is shaped with the endometrium lining. And the endometrium lining as well as the unfertilized ovum is released through the vagina, which is called the menstrual cycle. So next slides, we will be doing important concepts like fertilization and menstrual cycle. Do follow us and share with everybody. Thank you.